Yes. Exercise 9.4. Multiply the binomial 2x plus 5 multiplied with 4x minus 3. Okay? Yes. Now we will multiply 2x with whole 4x minus 3. Okay? 2x multiplied with whole 4x minus 3. Now plus 5 multiplied with whole 4x minus 3. Okay? Distributive property. Distributive property 2x multiplied with whole plus 5 multiplied with whole. Okay? Yes. Now 2x multiplied with 4x.
8x square.
2x multiplied with 4x.
8x
2 4 are 8. X into x. If base are equal, then exponent या power will be added. 1 plus 1 x square minus 2 3s are 6x plus 5 4s are 20x minus 15. Okay. 8x square plus 14x minus 15. 8x square plus 14x minus 15.
20 side. 8x square.
8x square plus 14x minus 15. Any doubt, any problem?
No sir,
सबको समझ में आ गया? समझ में आ गया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Question number first, third part. Okay. 2.5 L minus 0.5 M. L plus 0.5 M. Okay. Yes. Now 2.5 multiplied with
2.5L plus 0.5.
whole. Okay. 2.5 L
Second
multiplied with whole. Distributive property 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Now minus 0.5 M multiplied with 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Okay? Yes. 2.5 multiplied 2.5.
6.25L.
25 square 625. 0.5 after 2 digit there will be decimal 6.25.
6.2.
6.25.
L into L square plus 2.5 into 0.5. 25 5s are 125. 1.25 L into M LN. Okay. If there is a minus sign before the bracket, then all the sign in the bracket will be changed. Okay. 5 into 25, 125 minus 125. 0.5, 1.25, 1.25 ln. Okay. Now 5 has a 25, 0.25 m into m square. Minus, there is minus sign. Minus plus minus. Okay.
सर म्यूट कर दिए सबको। सर म्यूट कर
6.25 L square minus 0.25 m square. This is the answer.
Yes, yes. Direct
Question number 5, sixth part. Okay. Yes. 3/4 a square plus 3b square multiplied with 4 bracket
सर 36 लिखे हैं।
a square minus 2/3 b square. Okay. First we will multiply this by 4. Okay. Do it. 3/4 a square plus 3b square 4 into a square, 4a square minus 4 to the 8/3 b square. Okay. Any doubt, any problems?
नो सर।
Now same 3/4 a square multiplied with whole. 3/4 a square multiplied with 4a square minus 8/3 b square.
सर फोन आएगा। फोन आ गया। सर फोन बीच में आ जाए सर दिख नहीं रहा।
देखिए यहाँ पे 3/4 into 4 a square into a square a raised to power 4 3/4 minus 3/4 into 8/3 a square b square. This is plus sign. This is plus sign.
सर इधर से करो।
सर उससे नहीं हो रहा है इधर से
पेन सर ब्रश की जगह पेन लीजिए।
सर दिख ही नहीं रहा
अभी देखिए a square b square plus 3 4s are 12 a square b square minus 3 into 8/3 a b raised to power 4.  4 into 8 by 3 okay 3 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. 3 1 जा 3. ओके देखिए यहाँ पे 3a raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square minus 8b raised to power 4. 3a raised to power 4 plus 10a square b square minus 8b raised to power 4. Do it fast.
Eighteen भी 4 है.
10 है 10 it is 10.
Left side दिखने का.
सर 8a
क्या हो गया?
b square minus 2 b square minus 8
कहाँ पे?
सर लास्ट minus 2 b square minus 4
a square plus b a plus b square.
हो गया.
Okay. Now a square multiplied to whole a plus b whole square.
A cube plus a plus b.
Now b multiplied to whole a plus b square. A square into a cube plus a square b square plus b into a ab plus b into b square b cube. Okay. a cube plus a square b square plus ab plus b cube. अब like term तो कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पे. There are no like terms. Okay. Now this question will not proceed. अब आगे बढ़ेगा नहीं क्वेश्चन ये. End of. Right. Now fourth part. Question number 2, fourth part. Erase it. Question number 2, fourth part. B square minus q square. P square minus q square. Bracket 2p plus q. Now p square is multiplied to the whole 2p plus q. Minus q square is multiplied to whole yes p square multiplied to 2p. Sachin khada stand up. P square multiplied with 2p. P square multiplied with 2p.
Sir. 2p cube.
P square P and P base are seen. P raised to power 2, P raised to power 1, 2 plus 1, 3. P cube plus P square multiplied into Q. P square cube minus 2 P Q square plus Q square into Q. Q cube. Q cube. Now all the terms are different. Here's P cube, here's P square Q, here's P Q square plus P cube, Q cube. All are different. So this is the final answer. Note down it.
सर पर एक दिक्कत है आंसर में आखिरी में माइनस होगा 2p माइनस 2q
Yes, yes. If there are minus sign before the bracket, then all the sign in the bracket will be changed. Okay.
यस सर
ठीक है. Question number 3, first part. X square minus 5. X plus 5 plus 25. Listen to me. First we will solve these two terms. Okay. Multiplied it. X square multiplied 2x. X square multiplied with 5 minus 5 multiplied with x minus 5x minus plus minus 5 into 5 25 and it is plus 25. Okay. X square into x plus 5x square minus 5x. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Okay. A square plus B bracket A plus B square. A square plus B bracket A plus B square. A square plus B bracket A. Let's go. Question number 3. Third part. T plus S square. T square minus S. T plus S square bracket T square minus S. T multiplied with whole plus S square T square minus S. Okay. Yes. Now T multiplied with T square. T multiplied with T square. T raised to power 1, T raised to power 2, T cube minus ST plus S square into T square. S square T square minus S square into S cube. S cube. Now all the terms are different. T cube, ST, S square, T square and S cube. This is the final answer. Okay. Yes. Now fifth part.
सर अभी नहीं हुआ सर रुकिए ये सर अब रुक दिए सर टाइम हो गया सर
Question number 5. Question number 3, fifth part.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का फिफ्थ पार्ट
X plus y
क्वेश्चन x minus y
bracket 2x plus y plus x plus 2y bracket x minus y listen, x multiplied with whole, x multiplied with 2x plus y plus y multiplied with plus x multiplied with 2y multiplied with x minus y. X multiplied with 2x.
सर x square
2x multiplied with 2x. 2x square plus x into y xy plus y into 2x 2xy plus y into y x into x x into y xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. Okay, here is 2x square 2x square, right term, x square 2x square plus x square. Now xy plus 2xy minus xy plus 2xy xy and xy is used. Now remaining is minus 2y square.
3x minus y square.
Okay, here is 3x square, xy 2xy cancel out, 2xy plus 2xy plus 4xy minus 2y square. Any doubt, any problem? Now please do the remaining part in homework. Do the remaining part in homework.
Thank you, sir.